Good morning folks, Chris at Pieperformance. Welcome back to the Piecast. And what we join you in probably the last sunny day in October for our first cars and coffee at our new venue. We'll have some more footage throughout the day.
Just go round past the...
Hi, Chris here from iCanValet.com. Just like to thank the team at Pieperformance today for being part of the great event, and it's given us a chance to show our products, to show the quality of what we've got and how well they work on the Porsches that are here today.
It's just gone 1 o'clock and the sun's still out on this amazing October day. Firstly, I'm exhausted. It's been an amazing turnout and support from people, just kind of what it's all about for me, really. I might get a bit emotional, look. But the first Cars and Coffee at our new event, and you'll see the footage, just words don't explain my gratitude to people for taking the time out to come and support us. So thank you for everyone that's taken the time to come and see us today. Thank you for the team here as well, because that's important to remember, that support me, because without them that's not successful. Thank you for Scott from the coffee and everyone that's been here to support the day going along. And we welcome you back to the next event, which, if it's this year, I don't think it'll be quite as sunny. But thank you for your time today. Enjoy the rest of your weekend, and we'll catch up with you soon. Thanks very much.